I'm hot on the heels of a new case. You see, I'm a private investigator, but I just don't investigate people's privates. I investigate everything. If you've got a mystery, I'm the guy to solve it. Should have introduced myself. My name is Hardy Sledgehammer. Most folks call me Hardy Sledgehammer because that's my name. What else would I be called? Frank? No thanks. Nobody called Frank has ever amounted to anything other than Frank Sinatra. And perhaps Frank Zappa. Or maybe Frankenstein. But that's about it. Now, let me introduce you to my assistant. Assistant, get in here!
I hated when he called me assistant. My name's Frank Muck. I'm a private investigator's assistant.
So what cases we get in this week?
Well, there was a robbery at Mucksy's Malted Ice Cream Parlor. Some old lady's missing her husband. Famous movie star that needs her pool cleaned.
Well, I just got in a fight with my old lady before I got here today. And I just got out of the bathroom where I dropped the kids off at the pool. Let's start off with the Muggsy's Malted Ice Cream Parlor instead. What's the 411?
It's an area code for calling Canada.
Good to know. Got a score to settle with a moose. He bullwinkled me out of a case one time. So, tell me about this ice cream parlor robbery.
I was able to get these pictures from the scene of the crime.
Where did you get that?
During the robbery, I was there when it happened. I was enjoying a double chocolate scoop.
Why didn't you stop the robbery?
You ever had one of Muggsy's double chocolate scoops?
Good point. Then what?
These stupid Eskimos come in, they wanted ice cream for the top of some chocolate cake thing.
You know I'm part Eskimo.
I don't know why Hardy slapped me. Never even met an Eskimo.
I don't know why I slapped my assistant. I'm not part Eskimo. I'm Irish.
All I'm saying is that these Eskimos brought in some chocolate cake thing they wanted ice cream for it, right? Call it an Eskimo pie.
That's horrible.
I know, that's not a pie at all. Pies are warm and yummy.
He was right. They were. This is a conspiracy. Look, we're private investigators. Let's go down and talk to Muggsy and find out what happened.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Let's go, Giuseppe.
I hated when he called me Giuseppe. My name's Frank.